Welcome to the Knowledge Nest. Dive into the wonders of animals, birds, and wild nature. 50 unique questions, just pure and fascinating natural facts. How many can you get right? Please like, comment, and share the video. Also subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. What planet has diamond rain? What animal has blue blood? What natural phenomenon causes sundogs? Which bird can fly for years without landing? What is the highest point on Earth? What animal has a brain in its body? What trees never die of old age? What phenomenon causes a broken gloves? What animal is the only flying mammal? What bird is known for anting? What is Earth's largest hot desert? What causes a fall streak hole? What animal has the longest tongue? What bird can mimic phone sounds? What is the fastest growing plant? What phenomenon creates sprites in sky? What animal can change its color? What bird can fly backward? What is Earth's largest waterfall by volume? What causes desert varnish? What animal sleeps for 3 years? What bird has transparent eyelids? What is the deepest lake in the world? What creates volcanic lightning? What animal has no stomach? What bird cannot taste spicy food? What is the world's largest flower? What phenomenon involves ice circles? What animal has 8 arms? What bird has strongest legs relative to size? What is the longest river in the world? What causes St. Elmo's fire? What animal can regrow its head? What bird lays blue eggs? What is Earth's hottest spot? What causes a moon halo? What animal has square pupils? What bird can sleep while flying? What is the most common natural disaster? What phenomenon is a fire whirl? What animal gives birth to smallest babies? What bird is known for its courtship dance? What is the most biodiverse place on Earth? What causes desert roses? What animal has green blood? What bird can mimic chainsaws? What is Earth's largest living organism? What bird has strongest grip by feet? What animal is biologically immortal? What bird creates fairy circles? Appreciate your time. Hit that bell so you never miss a video.